I love Elite Online Publishing. The process has been so easy, and I've written books before, but this book is going to be by far my best book. They just make the process so easy. I love VIP day. I had no idea what to expect, and they kept telling me it was going to be kind of long and grueling. It actually wasn't. It was like super fun. It was like talking with your girlfriends, and all the attention was on you, so it just made you feel so special. And then after the VIP, I got this great like outline for my book, and I just was shocked that it was just so, I don't know, I guess I thought I was starting from a blank page, but they just had it all in there, and it's just like it was almost like they took what I said and put it in book form, and then it just gave me like the space to like do what I wanted and change it around, but you weren't starting from a blank page. So that was fabulous about it. The other thing I love is I love the coaching. I love my coach, Anita. She's just fabulous. We laugh, we have a great time, and we talk about ideas, and she tells me what she thinks will work and what won't work. And we've been able to change things around that we didn't like. And the process has been so fun. I just never thought it'd be so fun. And it's just been a fun process. I really thought I'd be like, oh, grueling. And it just has not been. It's been amazing. So I love Elite Online Publishing.